Up more, I can't see. Yes, to all the students community here, the question is, and no Googles please. You have to name 4 cities.
Raise your hand, please. 4 cities.
Raise your hands. Raise your hands and I'll come with the mic.
I think Jaipur or Ghaziabad.
You. What's your name?
Zoha Ansari. Deccan School of Pharmacy.
Okay, Zoha, so the correct answer is Hyderabad, Bangalore.
Gifts for this quiz session is being sponsored
My
by
name is Zoha Fatima Ansari. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
License worth $200, and you may collect it at the registration desk, please. To show a prototype, our gifts are in transit, so we can't show you a prototype. Excuse us. And thanks, Amrita, for coordinating the quiz. And you'll be going ahead with the next session as well, after the next session. Okay? So, we are done with the soft skills. So what next is the important thing to give his thoughts on care management programs. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Did you have Twitter? No. If you want to have food in the evening or late in the night, now you have got Zomato's. I always used to politely excuse of approach to the patient. I tell them, don't worry, person in Hyderabad or even you can do it by counter. I don't do a WhatsApp call because of the patient to record these problems and non-remunerative. Previously used to take pride in going to a restaurant and eating. Nowadays they don't standing in a theatre. Healthcare is also going to transfer people will invest here only. So it is going to happen. And thanks to Jio, everyone has got internet now. Question is also interlinked with your first question, like China, Redmond. There are about 15,000 people entrance examination or this. We have so many different from the way. Different as long as we are going into the same entrance general surgery, doing a MCH and plastic surgery, there are many people. I have to tell you, for all of you here, I have a girl who is still in front of me, her startup. I can tell you with courage, I have met healthcare workforce. Definitely it is going to add more where healthcare is not just doctors and nurses. Right now you see this change happening. We grade the what based upon the hand hygiene the people are implementing. So what is happening is definitely the change. One is, why don't we have graduates or postgraduates? Yes, who children or to the Ukla School of Medicine as a medical graduate, preference was given to, which is going to change soon. Nowadays you never had online examination. The examinations are more going to be analytical than in any part of the world is sufficient for you. Comes and sits with me in the OPD. Oh, you treat heart failure? No, in heart failure is the realm of primary care physician. But I told you. So this is a case, clear-cut case of misplaced priority treating people. It has to change and to get. So I am sure they are the people who are going to get this particular panel discussion. So thank you, Dr. Raghu. And what an exciting talk again. He brought a concept of Uber. I happen to read the same thing, a statement made by Dr. Devi Shetty. He was saying that the okay, just take the answer complex to 2030 or maybe 50. Okay, a highly passionate.
But it's like, I'm glad he didn't introduce me.
For you guys, the pharmaceuticals. What does
Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority.
your name, ma'am?
Drisha Asvani.
Please note her name.
See it live. It's the mantra. So do grab it. So can we have one more question?
So that hands would be visible. Where is he graduated from? I heard it from here, please. Go ahead, please. Don't shy away.
Hyderabad Public School, HP.
Exactly. And your name, sir? From our registration desk at the end of the day. Except him, nobody else.
It seems like Rich, his system, it's hanged. Operation sitting like this, you can learn operation. So thank you, Cafe Desire. I hope I'm doing the good job, MC's job. For, I don't know what checkup, maybe hemoglobin. Please be part of it.
1.5 million jobs for all pharmacy people. And we have in India about 72,000 small, middle and high, large scale industries that is offering 1.5 million jobs every year. But the problem is we have to be ready to grab them. The problem with the students and actually the healthcare students, the problem is number one is communication skills. I know you have a digital healthcare has to be improved, but basic communication skills are lacking a lot. But I always encourage them to be first learn good communication skill and to grab those 1.5 million jobs which are available in India itself. And when it comes to opportunities for all pharmacy people, you can work any area, because lot of students they think, oh, I work only manufacturing unit, I work only quality control, I work in IPR. It is not that. But whatever the work are
out of the question, only one or two. I don't know if you guys have seen an ad which a guy walks out of a college saying meh, and the group wants to go for architect, but they don't apply their brain. Mere bapan, we have a learned there was a conference on affordable cancer care in the world, but we have least number of skilled resources. Government of India is taking lot of efforts to ensure they are skilled, but a voluntary effort outside the government officials is not at all happening. Work in a setup of an education system that I have my 2 kids, I have my wife, myself. Shit man, I should have depressed, and you have 3 people sitting on your shoulder, don't have any freedom available. Next one, what I feel what we see and what we have in the newspaper, IIM graduate passing out, IIB minded guys. Any fresh pass out, I am not a fool to give him of 1 crore. These are 15 years. They are not fools sitting who was offering you packages. They'll say, give me 1 crore. If you ask that guy, how will he?
Industrialists, corporate people. We have kept on hearing a lot about startups. Ramesh Loganathan, Mr. Ramesh Loganathan sir, who has, I'm sure many of you would be knowing him, a great clap, a big clap I would require. Okay. He is the person, I would request to bring that transformation what you have brought up among the startup. I've been his student, okay, I was there among the IT professionals. Can take the session.
Thank you, Vishy. The whole idea of startups, right, or starting up, is something that we don't put too much emphasis on. Anybody startups here in the audience here? Okay, I see 1 hand, 2 hands, 3, very good, 4, 5. No, fantastic. I mean, I didn't expect, given that this is about career and such, but it's very, very pleasant surprise. And this is I think the awareness has got mainstream. I mean, earlier if you take...
Thank you, sir. And be Sardar, leader.
choose the right career path. Do not follow the herd mentality. I'm really impressed by that code that we all follow, the herd mentality. It's such a true thing. And then Dr. showed us such a beautiful video, healthcare, like as much as you guys do, or all the doctors did a case study. The bubonic plague, you must have heard of this. The UK population was wiped off. So bubonic plague, the interesting part here is bubonic in 1348 when it killed half the UK population. About 1600 years before this, the European landscape, and then it came to, was built in India. I mean, the scientist used to be 96.
So do be ready for the beautiful question. And so we have a guest here, Shantan, a classical example of brain gain years for quite 16 to 15. He's the president of a company called Vitrios, that he will say, this is a set of population collapse. So that's the kind of business what he is in. And everyone has got a very exciting profile. So I would say that starting from Dr. Naresh, if you can introduce yourself and a brief profile of yours, that would be great.
I currently head the function of information technology at Continental Hospitals in Hyderabad.
Okay, good, thank you. And how many others? All the other allied professionals. All right, so we've got a good mix of healthcare people here. What I do is I chase intelligence. I've been doing that for the past 25 years. A little slow guy, taken me more than 2 decades. Maybe you people will be faster. We'll talk about that if you hang around whenever she gets me on stage. And